Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Electrical Study, and today we are talking about the Ohm's law of basic electrical engineering. Friends, Ohm's law is the important law that's play the important role for calculating or determining the known parameters like resistance, impedance, current, voltage, etc. The state of the Ohm's law is the voltage or potential difference between 2 points is directly proportional to the current. The voltage is directly proportional to the current, and this is the important part of the Ohm's law. Like a potential difference between point A and V is equal to the voltage at resistance R. Application of Ohm's law uh, to determine voltage, current, impedance, resistance for a linear circuit, because Ohm's law is only follow the linear circuit and does not follow the non-linear or unilateral circuit. Ohm's law formula. Ohm's law is one of the formula B बराबर IR. The voltage is directly proportional to the multiplication of current and resistance, where B is voltage, I current and resistance are. The unit of resistance is ohm, and this is the symbol of resistance. The resistance is one of the most important basic law of electricity, uh, which help us to calculate the power, efficiency, current, voltage, resistance, etc. Limitations of Ohm's law. Ohm's law is not applicable for unilateral network because of one direction. Example: resistance and thyristor. Diode and thyristor also follow the current in one direction, and this is the reason the Ohm's law does not follow the unilateral network. Ohm's law also not applicable for non-linear network, because voltage is not directly proportional to the current, but Ohm's law says that voltage is directly proportional to current, like a thyristor. Thyristor does not follow the Ohm's law. Conclusion: according to Ohm's law, the applied voltage is directly proportional to the current. This is the state of the Ohm's law. Voltage is directly proportional to current, and Ohm's law does not follow the non-linear network like thyristor and unilateral network like diode and transistor, but Ohm's law only follow the linear circuit which have a resistance like a conductor. Next. So thank you guys, and to be continue for my next video.